morning chilly starts. Some areas in the 20s, so you're going to have the heat on in that car and maybe scrape the windshield. And then what, Michelle? More rain on the way.
Yeah, another round of rain. You know, one of the main impacts is going to be to the commute conditions tomorrow morning. So that's one of the time frames that we're going to be watching here as we pick up another round of soaking rainfall. Not for today, though. That's good news. If you have plans to be outdoors today, 29 degrees to kick off your morning in Providence. It's cold and dry in Newport, New Bedford, Westerly, running in the upper 20s. You get up towards Smithfield, Taunton, you're in the lower 20s. Boston right now staying above freezing, but mid 20s in Groton and Willimantic this morning. Westerly at 28, 26 degrees in Richmond. At least the winds are light to go along with it, and the skies are clear. We have good visibility looking at our live camera in Newport. Dry roadways across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts expected for today. In fact, our threat tracker is in the green today, but Tuesday into Wednesday, that's when things start to change. So we've got some heavy rain through the morning hours, some strong wind gusts. Got to keep an eye on our rivers and streams with this system Tuesday as they're still running high. It's dry on Wednesday, but we'll still see some stronger wind gusts through the morning and afternoon, and could see some even stronger gusts Wednesday locally than what we're expecting with the storm itself tomorrow. So a high wind watch right now, the only advisory that's out there, and that's from Tuesday at 9 a.m. until 4 o'clock in the afternoon for Nantucket. So our main impacts with this system is going to be just some travel impacts. Some street flooding likely. We could have some additional minor river flooding. The risk of wind damage right now looking on the lower side. We'll talk more about that, but high pressure for today going to continue to keep us dry. That's going to slide to the east. Here's the storm system that's going to be pushing that rain our way. That area of low pressure going to be passing, looks like right over Buzzards Bay or Cape Cod. And with that track, going to be rain that's the main impact for us. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, clear skies giving way to increasing clouds to finish out the day. We are dry at midnight, but as the night goes on, that rain moving in. So 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, talking about the commute. This is widespread, moderate to at times heavy rainfall, and it'll continue through at least the first half of your Tuesday. So lunchtime, still some stormy weather out there, but it races away. So the evening commute on Tuesday does look dry. The strongest wind gusts Tuesday found along the Cape and the islands, where we could see a few gusts 40 to possibly 50 miles per hour, 30 to 40 mile an hour gusts possible along the Rhode Island shore. So an isolated wind damage again possible, but the main impacts are going to be with the rain, and I expect 1 to 1.5 inches of rain. Heaviest of it from about 5 o'clock in the morning through 1 in the afternoon. Those winds gusting out of the southeast 20 to 30 miles per hour. Again, watch for some street flooding and possibility of some minor river flooding. Today, it's just cold and dry. 33 at 8 o'clock in the morning. Temperatures up into the low to mid 40s by midday. Afternoon highs, they're going to be topping out in the mid to upper 40s. We could see a couple of locations that get close to 50, but this is still running below normal. In Socket in the mid 40s, mid and upper 40s across southeastern Massachusetts, seasonable and dry with fading sunshine. It'll be cool this evening, but the temperatures won't drop much below 40. In a few locations, 35 to 40 degrees, but actually the temperatures during the night will be on the increase. So we'll see those highs tomorrow running warmer into the mid and upper 50s. Rain likely through the morning hours. After 2 o'clock, I expect us to be dry with those temperatures dropping down. Very chilly Wednesday. Mention those wind chills. Look at these 1 o'clock wind chills on Wednesday afternoon. They're running between 25 and 30 degrees. Windy and cold, and we'll do it again on Thursday. There is more rain in the forecast at the end of the week. Thursday night into Friday afternoon could see rainfall amounts of around another inch. You're a full